Folks, we got a great new auction to tell you about, and this property is just east of Cuba, Missouri. We're just maybe a mile south of I-44. We have over 150 acres that we're going to auction off in 3 parcels. The largest parcel is an operating cattle farm. It's got an old house that can be renovated. There's a couple of ponds, and there's this great barn that they've used for years for the cattle operation. So if you're interested in some recreational ground or a good cattle operation and you want to be off I-44 near Cuba, Missouri, you need to give me a call. We'd love to show you the farm. Eric Merchant, Trophy Properties and Auction, and you can check it out on our website, trophypa.com, or you can give me a call, Eric Merchant, 314-541-1218. We'll see you on the land.